ಹತ್ತನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಹತ್ತನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 6 ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 10th, ಇದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಪಾಠ. ಇದರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಬನ್ನಿ. Fill in the blanks in the following incomplete sentences. The father of public administration is Woodrow Wilson. The word public administration was first used by Alexander Hamilton. The members of UPSC are appointed by the President. 315 article of Indian Constitution mentioned about State Public Service Commission. Discuss in groups and answer the following questions. Public administration is very essential at present. Discuss. The life cycle of human beings depends on public administration. It is the heart of a state. There is no state without public administration. The holistic development of human society and the survival of civic society depend on effective public administration. It takes care of providing basic facilities, education, employment opportunities, protects the state and ensure economic qualities. Public administration functions from birth to death of a person. Justify the statement. It maintains civil order and peace by protecting the life and property of citizens. It takes care of providing basic facilities, education, employment opportunities, protect the state and ensure economic qualities. It provides numerous services like this. Explain about the types of recruitment. According to staff administration experts, there are two types of recruitment. Direct recruitment, it is called external recruitment, recruiting eligible candidates through competitive examination. Internal recruitment, recruitment by promotion, selecting the eligible in service personnel to higher positions. What is the role of state in maintaining law and order? The rule of law is essential for the protection of all. Law and order are mentioned in the 7th schedule of the Constitution state list. So, maintaining law and order is one of the main duties of the state. The central government has the constitutional power to direct the states in maintaining the law and order. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ABG ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.